Hey everyone, welcome to the final episode of Let's Make a Montage. Now, I'm sure as you know, if you follow this channel, this montage has already been released. So if you want to see the final product, I'll be linking to that in the description or the first comment. There won't be any render update at the end of this video because it's finished. I exported it and it's already been premiered. This last episode in the series is just me doing all the audio work. So here you'll see me not only placing all my sound effects, so doing the audio or sound editing, I also do all the mixing. Again, I'm just using Premiere because this is the simple montage. I have hired sound mixers before, even though I personally like doing the sound editing because I like positioning where all the sound effects are for the gun sounds and the transitions and the metal and the body fall and everything like that. And then I usually get a little help on the mixing, trying to get my levels right. And I've hired that for two montages, the Frosty montage and for Snipe Down's montage. I hired my friend who does sound mixing to just do that part and clean it up, which I thought was a big help. But on all my other videos, I've done it myself in Premiere because really you can do it in Premiere, but if you want to take it to that next professional level, you know, hiring professionals is always a great thing. So I'm going to finish up by saying if you checked out this whole series, that's awesome. It's nice having these episodes if you want to go through them and just seeing the updates and how a project evolves, changes, and progresses throughout the time, because really I was doing this off the top of my head. There was no pre-plan for this video. The only downside was several other people gave me clips. I know AA and Unishek, who works at 343, also gave me clips for this community montage, and I could not fit them all in here because the second song I could not fit on. So thanks for checking it out, guys, and I'll catch you in my next montage or montage tutorial. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time.